So hi everyone, there are baby birds around here in Apex in my biological real dad's house. So come on, carry the egg. The baby. Isn't it cute? Oh, look at his bottle. Where's the mom supposed to be? Where's your little brother? Come on. Look around all the world. Come on. So there was 2 baby birds, but one is gone. And we're trying to find it. Maybe it fell out of the new nest. Maybe something took it because it's gone now. But I think these eggs are abandoned. Not the babies are abandoned because mothers do not lay eggs where foxes can get them, so it may fell off somewhere. But
I'm taking them with me. I can't stand them.
so put it down, because you don't know if it might hatch.
Okay.
Yeah. There's a baby, and this is the whole place. Yeah. And yeah. And oh my gosh, I'm so freaking out now. Yeah.
¿Ya llevaron el otro? Sí, alguien. Nomás está uno, está el huevito.
No, mija, el otro se había caído, pongan eso ahí donde estaba.
No, ya hallamos.
No, pon eso ahí donde estaba. No. Ponga eso ahí donde estaba. Córrele, Andrea, ve con tu hermano.
Okay.
Lleva eso, a eso llévalo donde estaba Berenice, allá. Córrele.
So we're going to return the baby back because my dad doesn't want to take care of it or nothing, nourish it.
Don't cry.
Let me see its face. I never saw the face. Oh, cute. Come on, let's go. It's a dump here. We had to look for the baby egg because we're getting, not the egg, but the baby bird. It just hatched. Spring. Yay. Oh my gosh. Can it chirp? If it chirps, then the baby might respond. Did you hear that? I think I heard the baby.
How did
It was like, meow. Look, just look around everywhere. Chirp, chirp. We're trying to look for the baby. It's hopeless because it's gone now for some reason.
I don't know why Dad doesn't want to keep it.
But Anissa, because the mother might be looking for them.
Yeah, but what kind of little does this? Leaves an egg on the baby.
What parts of the egg nest? Maybe the baby landed here. No. Let's move.